In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing on Shopify using Uppromote. If you're looking to expand your reach and boost your sales, affiliate marketing might just be the right strategy for you. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process of integrating Uppromote into your Shopify store. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Shopify. If you're not already familiar, Shopify is an excellent platform that allows you to create and manage your online store with ease. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, you'll feel ready and set to explore the vast possibilities it offers. Next, you're going to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is your go-to place for all sorts of apps that can enhance the functionality of your online store. Once there, you'll use the search bar to type in Uppromote Affiliate. Uppromote is a powerful tool that can help you manage your affiliate marketing campaigns seamlessly. Look for the app in the search results and go ahead and hit that install button. This is where you begin opening up a new realm of marketing potential for your store. Once Uppromote is installed, the next step is to answer a few preliminary questions. These questions are designed to tailor the app settings precisely to your business needs. It's important to take a moment to think through your answers so that your setup is customized effectively. After you've addressed these questions, you'll be taken to the setup phase. This is where you'll configure your commission structure. Consider what kind of incentives will motivate affiliates to sell your products. You can select the type of commission, whether it's a percentage of sales or a flat rate, and define the commission amount. Tailoring these will help attract enthusiastic affiliates who are eager to promote your products. With everything all set up, congratulations, you're done. Your Shopify store is now equipped with Uppromote, ready to kickstart your affiliate marketing strategy. Don't forget, the success of your affiliate program will largely depend on factors like building strong relationships with affiliates, setting competitive commission rates, and regularly analyzing your campaign's performance. So keep an eye on how things progress and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've added an extra layer to your Shopify store's marketing strategy that could potentially increase both traffic and sales. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on setting up Uppromote with Shopify. Keep exploring, keep selling, and I'll see you in the next video.